He shit on me! Bastard. Here, answer this. It's so cool. Just talk.
Hello. Wait a minute. We are being swarmed by birds right now. In our car. Nicole, I'm camcording it, and they're frickin' flying in the window and landing on Lee's leg to eat a hash brown. Can you see them?
Okay, here it comes.
I'll let you see the video. Okay, love, bye. Give me one. Give me a little piece. I gotta get this fat pudgy one. Oh, never mind, he's gone. Oh my gosh, they're hanging on my thing. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, how awesome. Look, they're trying to get in.
There.
They're trying to get in the window at it. I need to put this cigarette out. Oh, no.
Just throw it out the window. That's what I did.
No, because I don't want them to eat it. Oh, the fat pudgy one's back. Let me have one. Don't throw it out the window. Come on. Oh, he took it right out of my hand. Oh, look. They're trying to get into the window. They know the food's laying up there. Oh, check them out. Look.
That one's just going to chill and eat.
That one's just going to chill in here and eat it. He said, ain't nobody else going to get it. Oh, how awesome is that? He said, ha, you creep. Oh, check him out. Hello? Yeah, are we allowed?
Don't you fucking bite me, you little bastard.
Lee, I'm gonna send this into Funniest Home Videos, so stop cussing. Yeah, we're almost done. We're watching them swarm right now. Did he?
Did they take your food, buddy? Hold on, here. Look, I got more.
Nicole, we have hundreds of them up here. Oh.
Well, that one's stuck now. He can't get out.
He don't know what to do. Let him go out, Lee. Okay, we'll be in a second. He's almost done feeding the birds. Okay, love you, bye. Oh, give me one of those, Lee. Give me a piece. Quit being so chunky with them. Look, I'm doing it. Come on. Walk over here and get it. Come here. Look at them all. How do I zoom? There we go. Look at all these birds. Roll the window down, son. Look at him. Look. They're trying to get into the window at it. Yeah. There you go. Get it. You want it? He landed on my finger. Give me another one. Here, hon. Come on. They know it's here. Good job. You want one too, a fat pudgy thing? Come on, guys. Get it. Get it. Okay. Here. I need another little piece. Oh, that's all fuckers. There's something here, tough. You came right to me. Let me have another one. Take it. Take it. There you go. Look at him, man.
This one's landed here about 3 or 4 times.
That one pooped on you.
I know.
Hand him one.
You want one?
She's the one on your pants. Sitting on Lee's pants. Now he's going to eat it. Oh, that's awesome. Now he said forget it.
Well, you to ruin it. Poor little thing.
They keep coming down and stealing it from him.
Slowly.
That is so awesome. Hello. Okay, well we're coming in. I'm just camcording. I've got only 40 more seconds left. Okay, love you, bye. Well, they're waiting in the audition. God, cute. They were taking it right out of my hand, hon.
Oh, that's it, fat guy. You gotta go.
That's all of it?
That's it. One more.
Okay, sorry guys. We're out.
Anyway.
We're out.
Come back later. Shoo. Shoo bird, don't bother me.